Hello and hi everyone. This is another Leetcode question that I'm going to solve today. And as you have already noticed, I am beginning with the questions that has the difficulty level as easy. Okay. And also what I'm doing right now is, that's my plan. I'm using a particular topic, and then based on that topic I'm trying to solve from easy to medium to hard, and let's see if that is helpful to you as well. Okay, so let's now understand what the question is. The question today is 242 valid anagram, and as you can see, the question, the submission and the acceptance rate, if you see, it's more than 50% accepted, but yeah, there are a lot of failures as well. So let's try to understand the question first. Given two string s and t, return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. So if t is an anagram of s, we have to return true, otherwise false. So for that we have to understand what an anagram is. So an anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. Okay, that might be too much to comprehend, so let's look at the example. For example, if there is an input s, which is a word anagram, and there is another input t, which is nagram, okay, so the output would be true, because the here if you see a, we have another a, n, we have n, again for the another a we have another a, then we have g, then we have g. So similarly the number of letters in s is equal to the number of letters in t. Okay, and for example rat and cat, we can clearly see that r is present, a is present, but t is not in the second input. Okay, so the output should be false. And we also have a constraint that s and t only consist of lowercase English letter, but that's not of no use, because what happens is, irrespective of any kind of letters that we have in the word or the phrase, we should be able to do that, right? Also we have a follow-up question: what if the input contains Unicode characters? How would you adapt your solution to such case? Okay, so let's try to build around the idea that I said before. The number of letters present in s and the number of letters that is present in t, it should be same to be called as anagram, right? Alright, so also for the bonus, what we will do is we'll discuss a one-liner solution at the end of this video, so keep watching this video. So what we want to do is we want to count all the letters in s and t. Okay, so what you can do is initialize something called s count, and for counting the letters we will use a dictionary, right? So for character in s, what we want to do is s count the character, okay, and s count dot get character if it is present, otherwise 0. Get the count of the character if it is present, otherwise it will be initialized with 0, and upon encountering the same character, what happens is a +1 will be added, right? So this will give us a s count. For t count we can simply do something similar, for not in s but in t count character is equal to t count dot get the character we want. If it is not there, use it as 0 and then add it to the value. Now we simply want to check if the s count dictionary is equal to t count, which means these are anagrams, right? If it is an anagram, what happens is the value, the letters and its count in the s count will be equal to the letter and the count in the t count. Let's try to run this, and it's accepted. Let's try to use the example test cases, and it's accepted. Let's try to submit it. Ignore all the background noises, because yeah, obviously I'm not trying to make the video or the sound quality of this video quite attractive. Instead, what I'm trying to achieve here is to make the code efficient and to make you understand the concept behind it, right? And here you go, we have an accepted solution of this problem with an efficiency of 47.26%. Let's discuss the time and space complexity. What happens is, for every character in the S, what we do is we create a dictionary. Okay, so obviously it iterates over all the characters in S, that would be order of n, and then all the characters in T, that means order of whatever the length of the string T is, that would be order, let's say, is order of m. So it should be the order of maximum of m or n. I mean, m being the count of characters in S, or this being count in the T, because yeah, these two are not within the loop, but it's outside. The for loop are done twice, so yeah, this should be it. And the space complexity is obviously, I mean, there could be every character which is unique to in the string, so that would be again order of maximum of n or n, right? अब नेपालीमा हेरौँ है त। नेपालीमा के छ भनेपछि भ्यालिड एनाग्राम। एनाग्राम भनेको चाहिँ कुनै पनि वर्ड अथवा फ्रेजमा चाहिँ दुईटा वर्ड र फ्रेजमा यदि सेम लेटरहरू छ र एक्ज्याक्टली वन्स भन्नाले एउटा छ भने चाहिँ एउटा, दुईटा छ भने दुईटा छ भनेपछि त्यो दुईटालाई एनाग्राम भन्छ। फर इक्जाम्पल यहाँ चाहिँ एनाग्राम र एनएजिएआरएम भन्ने छ, त्यो दुइटै चाहिँ एनाग्राम हो, तर आरएटी र सिएआर चाहिँ होइन, किनभने सिआरएटीमा टी छ तर सिएआरमा चाहिँ टी छँदै छैन है त, त्यही भएर चाहिँ यो एनाग्राम होइन। तर टिएआर भएको भए चाहिँ त्यो चाहिँ एनाग्राम हुन्थ्यो ऱ्याटको है त। सो यसलाई सल्भ गर्नलाई हामी के गर्छौँ, हरेक क्यारेक्टर जुन एसमा छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ, त्यसको काउन्टलाई चाहिँ हामी स्टोर गर्छौँ एस काउन्ट भन्ने एउटा डिक्सनरीमा। सो यो पर्टिकुलर सिन्ट्याक्सले चाहिँ के गर्छ भने चाहिँ, यो स्पेसली डिक्सनरीको लागि छ, डट गेट भनेर छ, गेट मेथड, जसले चाहिँ यदि क्यारेक्टर छ भनेपछि त्यसको काउन्ट दिन्छ र त्यसमा चाहिँ हामीले 1 एड गर्न खोजेको, किनभने 1 एन्काउन्टर भयो। छैन भनेपछि बाई डिफल्ट त केही छैन, इनिसियलाइज त भएको छैन, त्यही भएर चाहिँ त्यसले चाहिँ बाई डिफल्ट 0ले इनिसियलाइज गरिदिन्छ यदि क्यारेक्टर छैन भनेपछि। सो यसरी चाहिँ हामीले एसमा भएको जति क्यारेक्टर छ सबलाई चाहिँ एस काउन्टमा चाहिँ काउन्ट गर्छौँ, टीमा भएको जति क्यारेक्टर छ त्यसलाई टी काउन्टमा चाहिँ काउन्ट गर्छौँ, र अन्तिममा चाहिँ चेक गर्छौँ टी काउन्ट र एस काउन्ट डिक्सनरी इक्वल हो कि होइन। यदि इक्वल छ भने चाहिँ अभियसली हाम्रो एनाग्राम हुने हो, किनभने चाहिँ नम्बर अफ क्यारेक्टर्स त्यो भित्र एसमा जति छ त्यति टीमा छ भनेपछि त्यो चाहिँ हाम्रो एनाग्राम हो, नभए चाहिँ हुने भएन। सो अटोमेटिकली इन्स्टेड अफ डुइङ इफ एन्ड एल्स वी क्यान also pass this expression here and we can get the result. Now for the bonus part, what we can do is, Python has an inbuilt method in the collections library, which is which is the default libraries that is available when you install the Python. So what you can do is simply call counter. Okay, so you can simply call counter on this and this, and what we were doing is, here this counter s is creating a dictionary and the counts of the letters in it. Here similarly for the T we are doing, and then we are checking, which was our earlier logic, we are checking the if two dictionaries are same or not. So this is also accepted in this Leetcode. Okay, let's try to submit it. And yep, this is actually efficient as well, but to know the time complexity, it would be much harder because we do not know how the counter function is implemented in Python. So I mean, it's not recommended to use this while you are doing an interview, while you are in the interview. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If there is any improvement or suggestion that you can make to this video, please do comment, and if you find it helpful, please like, share and subscribe to this channel.